Let's say you've heard about my whole child reading program and you've heard by word of mouth that it works, but you've got some inner resistance going. Let's look at that. Resistance number one, I'm not a teacher. Oh, yes, you are. You became a special ed teacher the moment your baby was born. You teach day in and day out. Resistance number two, I don't have time. You're absolutely on overwhelm. You have so many responsibilities and so many duties. I know, I've been there. But here's what I want to suggest. To start with, it's just 5 minutes twice a day. You'll need to do some deep thinking about what 2 times are going to work. And I suggest you have a plan A and a plan B in case plan A doesn't work out. Now, here's the magic part. Here's what happens. Your child begins to succeed and to be able to read, even if it's just a few words at first. Well, the light bulb goes off. Confidence builds. When confidence builds, enthusiasm builds. And then what happens is the child doesn't really want to stop that session. So 5 minutes becomes 10 minutes, eventually becomes 15 minutes, and you are so jazzed with what's happening and so thrilled that you keep going as well. You're over the moon with this. I've seen this happen again and again. So I encourage you to step out and take on this amazing journey. You can do it.